Okay, it's time for Tires Tell All. Tips and tricks you should know. We've got 3 things to cover: tire pressure, tire wear, and tire damage. When it comes to tire pressure, it's really important to check it regularly. A lot of newer vehicles will digitally display the tire pressure for each tire, like this. For older vehicles, the tire pressure needs to be checked manually. If you've never used one of these, no worries, it's super simple. All you gotta do is unscrew this cap here and take this open end and push it into your valve stem here, super quick. You'll see this bottom piece shot out, and if you look closely, you can see that reads 30 PSI. Now, if your tire pressure is low, you're gonna wanna add some air. We're happy to do that at any Grease Pro location for you. Enough of that, onto tire wear. We don't need this for the next test. So an important way to check your tire wear is actually to look at your tire tread. I'm going to teach you the old school penny test that you can do anytime, anywhere. Take a penny face down. You're going to stick this in between your tread. What you're looking for here is if Abraham Lincoln's head is fully visible, your tire tread is too shallow, and it might be time for some new tires. Now let's talk tire damage. It's important to inspect your tires regularly for cuts, cracks, foreign objects, things that can lead to a flat tire. If you notice anything concerning, whether that's tire pressure, tire wear, or tire damage, do not hesitate to stop by the Grease Pro nearest you. Our team is happy to help.